Hi and welcome back. Now I'm going to perform this card trick called Slap It. So if you're ready, let's go. Angel, thank you so much for helping again. Pack of cards, any card that you like you can have, so take one. Okay, show it to the audience. Remember the card and don't forget it. Alright, good. I'll riffle down, you say stop anytime you like.
Stop.
Here, put it back here. The rest of the cards goes on top, lost somewhere in the middle. Happy? Good. Now, the idea is this. In a moment, I'm going to try and find your card. Okay? Out of 52 cards, to remove your card is not that easy. Agree? So, you're going to give me 5 chances. Okay? I'm just going to remove some cards here. I'm thinking this one. That's 3. Maybe this one and this one. Okay, good. I think one of these 5 cards is actually her cards. Let me see. This here. Okay, good. I want you to hold out your right hand like this in a fist, and I'm going to clip these cards in between your index and middle finger like that. Okay, for the first time, tell everybody, or tell me, what was the card you selected?
Ace of clubs.
The Ace of Clubs. Watch very carefully. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. All the cards, all on the table, all except for one card. And it just so happens to be the Ace of Clubs. Now, let's learn this card trick called Slap It. Say, for example, the selected card is the Ace of Spades. Now, you can ask them to say stop and replace their card back here. While they do that, you remember your key card, which is the Jack of Clubs. Again, you can add in one of these overhand shuffles. Come to the middle, strip off a block, and you can offer the cards to be cut by your spectators. Next thing you want to do, because you know that your selected card is somewhere in the middle, all you have to do now is just spread the cards and say, okay, I'm trying to look for your card. Maybe it's this one, maybe it's this one, and right you are here, your key card, and right beside it, of course, is the Ace of Spades. So remove their selected card, and then go on and remove maybe another 3 more. This one, and I think maybe even this one. Okay, out-jog them like this and then remove them. Now as you look at them, you go, okay, should be one of these. As you're rearranging the cards, move their selected card to the face of this small packet. Alright, now when you turn them face down, their selected card will be over here. Next, ask them to hold out a fist like this and insert the cards in between the index and middle finger like that. Okay, remember, selected card should be at the bottom. And now ask them what is their card. They will say that it is the Ace of Spades, and all you have to do is just slap these cards and all the cards above the Ace of Spades will drop except for the Ace of Spades right here. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. All the cards dropped onto the table, all except for one card, and that is, of course, the Ace of Spades. And that's how you perform this card trick called Slap It. I hope you like it.